Hey creators, ever spent hours searching for that perfect sound effect only to get hit with a price tag? Yeah, we've all been there. But guess what? Today, I'm saving you from that stress with 5 websites where you can download free sound effects. Yep, free. Let's dive in. First up, we have freesound.org. Imagine this, a massive library of sounds, all created and shared by other sound geeks like us. Need the sound of a slamming door? A gentle rain? Freesound's got your back. You can preview and download as many sounds as you need. The catch? You'll need to create a free account. Next up, Zapsplat. If you're looking for variety, Zapsplat is the jackpot. Over 100,000 free sound effects. Yes, you heard that right. From cinematic whooshes to quirky cartoon sounds, they have it all. Plus, they're super easy to download. Just one click and bam, you're done. Now, let's talk about Sound Bible. This one's a gem for all you indie creators out there. Sound Bible has a smaller collection, but what makes it unique is the simplicity. No registration required, just download and go. Plus, they provide royalty-free sounds that you can use in both personal and commercial projects. Then, we've got Mixkit, an all-in-one platform not only for free sound effects, but also music and stock video. Their sound effects collection is perfect for people looking for high-quality, professional sounds without the hefty price tag. Whether you're editing a vlog or crafting a cinematic masterpiece, Mixkit has a sound for every vibe. The best part? Every sound you download from Mixkit is free to use for both personal and commercial purposes. No copyright headaches here. Last but definitely not least, Audio Micro, free sound effects. This one's a bit of a twist. While Audio Micro is known for paid content, they have a section filled with free sound effects. So, if you're exploring, don't skip this. You might stumble upon some hidden gems. While it's mostly a paid platform, their free section often gets overlooked. And that, my friends, is where the real magic happens. So there you have it, your top 5 websites for free sound effects. Freesound.org, Zapsplat, Sound Bible, Mixkit, and Audio Micro's free sound section. Whether you're making YouTube videos, short films, or even TikToks, these sites will take your audio game to the next level without costing a dime. Go ahead and bookmark these. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Oh, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.